Welcome in to the Hungry Papa.
You guys, welcome in. Thanks for stopping by. I really do appreciate you. Today we're going to put together chicken Parmesan. In the interest of something that's a little more healthy for us, this is chickpea penne. I'm going to cook up some chicken breast. I got these on sale. Still $5.09 a pound. So we're going to fry these up in a mixture of half flour, half Panko breadcrumbs. So hopefully they'll be nice and crispy. And it's all going to be a bunch of deliciousness. So let's just get started. So we need a couple of eggs in there. Now, adding that. See about getting that chicken. Let's do the chicken first so it can be done and resting and all that. I think that's enough. Put a little butter in there to saute them their veggies in. Do that. So our vegetables are cooking down nicely, and that's starting to get warm. Our panko breaded chicken tenders are cooked and up in the microwave for safe keeping. And I've tried one and they are oh so good, oh so crispy, guys. They are really wonderful. So that is ready to dump that sauce in there. Now that is just the El Cheapo, the $1.34 can of Hunt sauce. Hey, I'm going to doctor it up anyway, so it don't have to be no $10 bottle of whatever. It just doesn't need to be. Not in my book, but y'all do what you want to. I'm not here to judge. So we're gonna doctor this up. We got some Italian seasoning right here, and we're gonna just kind of massage that a little bit and get that in the pan. And oh my goodness, that smells good. That smells really good. So there's that. Let's go ahead and dump our sauce in there. Now we need to rinse out this can just a smidge. I don't want to leave all that sauce behind. There's still some in there. It'll be all right. At least we didn't donate all of it, right? So there's that. The veggies and everything in the sauce, and man, you should smell that. My goodness gracious. My goodness gracious, that smells so good. Okay, so let's give that just a quick pretty good. Okay, so let's put our chicken parm together, and let me tell you what, this is some really crunchy chicken. I like that. You liking that crunchy chicken? Very, very good. Good. Now we need something to get those here. Well, this could work. Now again, these are made from chickpeas right here. So let's give this a shot. And we need to put some sauce on this. Let's see here, this will work. And I got that oven preheated to 400 over there. This is Parmesan and Romano and Asiago. So that ought to be a pretty darn good blend of cheese right there. And let's go like it is. Let's do that. And oh my goodness, that smells good. Okay, so let's slip this in the oven real quick here. Guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate you. And so we fried up some chicken strips. Here's one of them. Man, are they ever crispy and nice and good. And we made some penne pasta. Now this pasta is made out of chickpeas. And they're touting 21 grams of protein. Only one ingredient is they're totally made of chickpeas. Have it on a plate, and that plate is hot. That puppy has been in the oven to melt the cheese and all that. So now let's just give this a good taste here. And it's hot. To me, it tastes exactly the same as a regular noodle. You might as well have the protein kind that's not so impactful. So, yeah, this is very good. Now, got some chicken under there somewhere. There we go. There she is, right there. And that's chicken parm. That's chicken parmesan. It's very good. Now, normally it's spaghetti, but this penne pasta, hey, a noodle's a noodle to me, really. My gosh, that is that's a very good Friday night dinner, a Sunday dinner, a Saturday night, any night of the week, it's good. And you can have this kind of made ahead. Very good. You are a very big blessing to me. I thank you for that. I appreciate you stopping by. And by the way, there's a lot of people that watch that are not subscribing. If you would subscribe, if you do me the honor of clicking that subscribe and the like button, I would appreciate it. Thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Yeah, bye-bye.